Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're transforming old, isolated factory machines into a modern, super-connected smart network.
Imagine this. Is your machine running a fever? Monitoring temperatures from 500 miles away is an absolute game changer.
But, hey, how do you actually get data off those isolated dumb controllers onto your slick modern networks?
Sollae Systems fixes this in 2 lanes, handling raw electrical signals and translating old-school serial data.
First up, remote I/O gateways. These brilliantly turn raw electrical signals into internet-ready Modbus TCP data.
For example, the H14G has 4 digital ports, while the M10A packs 8 digital plus 1 analog port. The coolest part? They run totally autonomously using simple, built-in logic formulas. No constant network reliance needed. It's literally an internet switch. A sensor triggers an input here and boom, an output triggers miles away.
Plus, you can easily monitor and control everything from anywhere using their totally free ModMap software app. Okay, let's pivot. What about bridging older legacy serial connections like RS-232 to your modern networks? It's simple. Data leaves the legacy port, hits the solid converter, and instantly jumps onto your Ethernet. You're getting super fast 230.4 kilobits per second securely running on modern IPv4 and IPv6 networks. The CIE-H14 even works as a soft AP, letting your smartphone connect directly without any existing Wi-Fi.
Next, the industrial CSE series. These converters are built incredibly tough to resist crazy electrical noise and damage.
We're talking extreme survival here. These units flawlessly handle anywhere from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. With built-in overvoltage and overcurrent protections, they literally shrug off the absolute harshest factory conditions.
So they're the ultimate bridge. Your older, isolated machinery finally joins the modern smart factory era.
Think about it. What happens when every single pressure gauge, flow meter, and position sensor becomes truly smart?
You get a fully autonomous factory. And honestly, that's the incredible future this technology is building today.